Hello, welcome back. It's your woman Angela KOD. Today we are making a very delicious healthy juice that boosts your energy level. Come with me and let's juice together. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD and everyone watching my videos, thank you. Come with me and let's juice together. For ingredients, we'll be needing our pineapple, coconut, and mangoes. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing for making our delicious energy booster juice. So this juice can boost your energy. So it's the perfect juice for this summer. We set our machine aside. Our delicious, healthy energy booster juice is ready. This tropical, delicious, healthy juice is so delicious. Let's go ahead and serve, guys. Look at this. The coconut is giving. Look at this. Wow, guys, thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious tropical energy booster juice. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Adios. Kiss.